Hello everybody. So again, great pickup. I just want to show you what I just picked. Look, all this big bucket of different stuff, mostly cast alu, and there's some, I believe, diesel heater or gas, no difference, both of them made of cast alu. Some kind of engine covers, engine, a lot of brass tubing. I believe this one can be either way, brass or stainless. Another stuff, some kind of big pump. There is something, but casing is made of alu. Another stuff over there, it's like, let's go from the other side. Open it up. Some track part. I already have some of it before, and it's great amount of cast alu. Some casing of gearbox, I believe, and some heads. Yeah, some kind of pump, or I don't know, something there. Just looking nice. I will take it in, and maybe there will be better lighting, so I sort it a little bit, and then I will continue with this. Okay, so I take everything in, and it look like this. I'm really happy with that, because most of the stuff is cast alu, I believe. Yeah, of course some other things, but look at these two buckets. It's full of stuff, like, as I said, most cast alu, tiny piece of brass, motors, alu, tiny bit of copper. Second one again, stainless steel, a lot of aluminum, I believe, otherwise brass, or no, this is just stainless. Anyway, these two buckets, it's like, let's look at this, quite heavy. Yeah, just 20 kilos. Nice. Just go to the side. I just need to sort it. Of course I will have a little bit trash in there, but mostly it's cast alu. Second one is again 20 kilos. So I have about 40, yeah, let's say 35 kilo of cast alu in these two buckets, plus other metals like copper, brass and stainless. I got this, it was heavy to lift with one hand. This, I believe it's gearbox connector to the engine from something big. Just few bolts to remove, like some kind of sensor, maybe speed sensor, I don't know. And yeah, rest is just cast alu, something fall out. I got this sorry, engine tops from, I don't know what it was, maybe motorcycle, I don't know. Standing on it, D25 AM 112 CJ doesn't tell me so much, but I know it's cast alu. Just need to remove these valves, and that's it. Quite heavy stuff. I got some smaller, I believe some pump as well, cast alu, tiny bit of brass at the top, sensor, or I believe it's temperature sensor, look like, I'm not sure. Yeah, what else? This is nice catch as well, quite heavy. This is all made of copper. There is some kind of water heater. It's like many layers, as you can see, and warm water from heating system going through every second and warm up our drinking water. So that easy it is, but each and every section of it it's very tiny, so that's why it's able to warm up to the almost same temperature without any losing of the temperature. Here's some tubing, mostly brass, stainless. This, I believe, this bracket is just iron. Again, some valve. Yeah, this again. So this is great stuff. This one is just piece of brass and just iron pipe. Anyway, quite big one. So that's okay. I get one burner, and it's going for otherwise gas or diesel, I'm not sure, but most of this casing is like cast alu plus engine electric motor inside. Yeah, of course, and a little bit of cables, maybe some silver contacts somewhere. That's it, not bad, easy to take apart. Then I have engine from scooter, not total, but not complete, but anyway, it will be good for practicing. All casing is like cast alu, so, and as well some piece of stainless steel, quite big. Now, as I speak about the motors of this scooter, the guy was looking at this from last pickup and he said he didn't want nothing from it, so maybe I will practice a little bit with this one and it will be quite easy. So I take away engine from the other one. If it will be too hard and too much time consuming, so I will just drop all scooter to the scrap iron. And yeah, like engine cover, I just need to get rid of that piece of iron. The second piece of cover almost clean, just one little bearing, I think. And this stuff is nice. I already had scrapped some of them some time ago. I believe this is from some kind of heating system, probably. It's come out from Scania, but all casing is like cast alu. This is some kind of pump, so it's electric engine. Plus we have some stainless steel inside and little circuit board in here. But if I remember right, it is covered with some kind of resin or something like that. But otherwise, this is good stuff. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So that's great score. One tiny halogen lamp, I believe, still able to work if we give them cable and new bulb, but it's as well alu casing. This will, again from the Scania, it will have some nice electronic circuit board inside. This one is just plastic, but I can see by the pins, because half set of it it's like silvery, second one it's like yellow, so it means it will be good. But I believe I as well have something like this already. There's second type as well, nice electronics inside, and cast alu cover from one side in this case. But anyway, nice stuff. There is something, I don't know, probably some kind of valve or something like that. But as again, Scania, again cast alu, a lot of cast alu. And the greatest stuff I just find, I believe, is some old milk pump. Someone used it for something different, probably for water. Have this reset button. It was some standing numbers on it. When I hit it first time, it go to the 0. And all of it is made of either cast alu or stainless. No, it will be cast alu, I believe, because stainless will be more heavy. But anyway, it is a bit heavy. Yes, this is cast alu. Same as this. I just make my 5 test. Yeah, so that is my pickup today. Just great. And actually yesterday evening I was working on making a little bit more space in my workshop. So I clean up all this corner. There is my project car. So I put all the PCs over there to make a little bit more space, and that was actually a good idea because today I get all this stuff. And yeah, I still have a bunch of laptops to play with. Yeah. So it will be a nice weekend, I believe. There's like 2 more things as well from these trucks. If I remember right, it is some kind of step motor inside with some pumps, a bit of good electronics, and it's actually standing on it. It has lead inside, 12.8 grams. I just have to search after it. Why not? Yeah, I got 2 of them. And I got some chargers with nice alu heat sinks. One was open, so I can easily look what is inside. Just nice huge copper coils, nice extruded alu heat sinks, a few more smaller coils. Yeah, just some ICs, tantalum capacitors, and the backing is just iron. Oh, there's second one, quite nice cable coming out of them. And I got this. I have no idea what that item is. It has 6 like sticks. Look like each and every one it's adjusted. It has some sensor for fuse, control, input. So from 8 to 10 volts we can put in this, but this one doesn't look like 10 volts. I have no idea what is that, but it's not so, maybe a little bit heavy, like 5 kilos. I know it has aluminum casing, so I took it. Why not? Yeah, nothing behind. Look like it's running on 3 phases. Yeah, you will see what is inside, then maybe I scrap it or do something of that. Could be nice stuff. Yeah, so I will have few items to making few videos soon. Let's look at this pump. Is it have some like board with the dates or something? No, I see nothing. Anyway, weight at least 10 kilos. yeah, this will be fun. Just as well I have to sort this one. Okay, so that will be pickup for today. Today we have Friday, so I don't need to go sleep early. So I believe I will stay a little bit in my workshop today. And yeah, actually there you can see I'm trying to keep my stuff ready to go closest to the door as possible, but in some cases I just block it totally. But yeah, no one said it will be easy. So okay, so I will play with this now and see you next time. Yeah, or keep scrapping. Have fun, guys. Take